the Defenders Podcast, Christian Apologetics in 2 minutes or less. Today we're going to talk about a very familiar story found in Genesis chapter 19, the story of Sodom and Gomorrah. Now, if you remember correctly, Sodom and Gomorrah was a very sinful city, and Abraham pleads with God. But Abraham could only find one righteous family, and that was his family of his nephew, Lot. But when two angels appeared to Lot and his family, they said, you guys need to get out of town because God's judgment is coming. But what happened? Well, we see that in Genesis 19. Let's read what it says. By the time Lot had reached Zoar, the sun had risen over the land. Then the Lord rained down burning sulfur on Sodom and Gomorrah from the Lord out of the heavens. Now, this is one of the most memorable stories in all of Scripture. I think it's partly because of how God destroyed the city. I mean, he rained down sulfur from the sky. Now, what is sulfur? Well, sulfur is an ingredient found in meteors, and it's very flammable and very, very hot. But is there any scientific evidence for this? Actually, there is. When archaeologists discovered Sodom and Gomorrah, they brought in a team of experts to study the site. Well, one of the experts was an atomic energy specialist. His name was Dr. Samuel Gladstone, and this was his report summarizing his findings. The meteor exploded at low altitude with the force of 10 megaton atomic bombs at an altitude of about 1 kilometer over the northeast corner of the Dead Sea and obliterated all of civilization in the 25-kilometer wide circular plain. At the same time, the pottery in the settlements was heated into glass in the space of milliseconds. According to the results of an analysis of the cyclone crystals formed in the process, indicated that they were briefly exposed to temperatures of approximately 4,000 to 12,000 degrees Celsius, comparable to that of the temperature of the sun. Now here we have a story in the Bible that is confirmed not just by science, but by archaeological findings. And there are many, many more, and I can't wait to share them with you.